Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Well, I gotta tell you, I actually love this little car. Yep, this is our 2015 Fiat 500. This little thing is fun to drive. Gets great gas mileage. Now this one was a one owner vehicle, has really low miles. It's only 37,000 miles, has factory warranty, and that is bumper to bumper factory warranty. And if you've not had the chance to drive one of these yet, I gotta tell you, you need to come in and drive them. It's actually a fun little car. Who says commuting's got to be boring, or you just got to blend in with everyone else to have a good, efficient vehicle? This one really stands out, and it handles well, drives well. I've driven a lot of efficient cars, but I can tell you this one's actually fun to drive. This one has, of course, your side airbags, has your duplicate audio controls on the front and the back of the steering wheel. Of course, you have your cruise control, has your premium audio, and it does have Bluetooth and Bluetooth stream. It is the automatic, and you do have your Tiptronic feature there, so you can shift through your gears. You got an auxiliary and USB inputs for your radio. And again, like I said, the little car is fun to drive. So stop in and take a look at this one. Take a real close look at it. I think you'll be impressed. Feel free to call us or text us. Remember that we have no processing fees. You can reach us anytime at 540-433-7335. Thanks again for stopping by.